Hello dear students, in last lecture of flat we have started unit number 2, that is regular expression. What exactly regular expression is? So, regular expression is nothing but the formal way to express any language or finite automata. It is called as a regular expression that we have seen. After that, how these different regular expressions are written. The regular expressions are written in the form of, for example, x star x plus. X star means occurrence of x. If star is there, that means there is 0 occurrence and multiple occurrence, and if x plus is there, that means at least one time x has to be occur in the string. Then we have seen different identities of regular expression. So, these are some of the identities that we are going to use to solve the problem. So, here when problem is there, we have to prove that the left side of the expression is equal to right side of the expression. For solving this type of problem, we are going to use the identities as shown here. Now, we start from LHS. So, if we observe the LHS, there are two terms, 1 plus 0 0 star 1, this is first term, plus 1 plus 0 0 star 1 into bracket 0 plus 1 0 star 1 star 0 plus 1 0 star 1, this is the second term. So, if you observe the LHS, we can take 1 plus 0 0 star 1 as common, and after taking 1 plus 0 0 1 as common, what will be the resultant LHS? That will be take 1 plus 0 0 star 1 common, and in the bracket we get, if we take the first term as common, then we get the null operator here, because we have taken common that, plus the remaining string is 0 plus 1 0 star 1 into 0 plus 1 0 star 1. Here we can apply the identity null plus r star r is equal to r star. So, here in the second bracket, the term is matching with the identity null plus r star r. So, the entire second term can be replaced by r star. So, r star means what? 0 plus 1 0 star 1. That means your LHS will be now, LHS is equal to first bracket 1 plus 0 0 star 1 and second bracket is 0 plus 1 0 star 1 bracket star. We have applied the identity. Then still our expression of right side is not matching, expression of left side is not matching with the expression at right side. So, again now if we observe the right side of the problem, we can observe that 0 plus 1 0 star 1 star is now with us. So, remaining part is 0 star 1, that we have to prove. That means anyhow we have to prove that the first bracket 1 plus 0 0 star 1 is equal to 0 star 1 by taking one common from the very first term, that is taking one common from 1 plus 0 0 star 1, we get 1, take 1 as common. So, in bracket what will be the remaining terms? 1 into the bracket null plus 0 0 star. Again this expression is matching with the identity as shown above. So, we can replace the entire bracket by 0 star. So, entire bracket we can replace with the 0 star. That means this 1 plus 0 0 star 1 is equal to 1 0 star. So, entire LHS is equal to 0 star 1 into bracket 1 plus 0 plus 1 0 star 1 bracket star. So, that will be the answer. So, in this lecture we have studied how to use some identities to prove that the left side regular expression represent the expression given at the right side of the expression or right side of the equation. Here we have used one identity, we can use multiple identities in the same problem.